Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to connect. First, confirm your Macbook's Wi-Fi hardware is on and working. Open the Wi-Fi menu in the menu bar or System Settings and scan for networks. Make sure you have the exact SSID and password. If the network uses WPA2 or WPA3, keep that in mind. Once done, move closer to the router to avoid weak signal issues and temporarily turn off VPNs or proxies so they don't interfere with initial authentication. Choose your network from the list and enter the password when prompted. Be precise with capitalization and special characters because passwords are case-sensitive. If the network is hidden, select Join Other Network and type the SSID plus the correct security type so your Mac can authenticate. If you run into IP problems, open System Settings Network Wi-Fi Advanced and either renew the DHCP lease or switch to manual IP with the provided gateway and DNS values to ensure proper addressing. Once connected, verify by loading a web page and testing DNS resolution. If pages won't load, try a quick ping or alternate DNS like 8 to isolate DNS vs connectivity. Make the network preferred and enable auto-join so your Mac reconnects automatically. If you still can't connect, forget the network and reconnect, then restart Wi-Fi or the Mac. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist after those steps, reset NVRAM and SMC. This resolves many hardware-related Wi-Fi issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.